Bolivian anaconda, Eunectes beniensis, is one of the lesser-known members of the anaconda genus, which includes some of the largest and most powerful snakes in the world. Native to the wetlands and tropical rainforests of Bolivia, this species is notable for its impressive size and distinctive habitat preferences. This essay explores the physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, reproduction, and conservation status of the Bolivian anaconda. Physical characteristics. The Bolivian anaconda, while smaller than the more famous green anaconda, Eunectes murinus, still boasts considerable size. Adults typically range from 3 to 4 meters, 10 to 13 feet, in length, with some individuals potentially reaching up to 5 meters, 16 feet. Females are generally larger than males. The snake's coloration is usually a mix of olive green and brown with distinctive dark blotches and bands along its body, providing effective camouflage in its natural environment. Like other anacondas, the Bolivian anaconda has a robust body, smooth scales, and a relatively small head with eyes and nostrils positioned on top to facilitate swimming. Habitat and distribution. The Bolivian anaconda is primarily found in the Beni region of northern Bolivia, particularly in the Beni savanna and the surrounding floodplain forests. This region is characterized by its extensive wetlands, swamps, and slow-moving rivers, which are ideal habitats for these semi-aquatic snakes. The anaconda's preference for aquatic environments allows it to move more easily and ambush prey effectively. Behavior and diet. The Bolivian anaconda is a solitary and primarily nocturnal hunter, although it may also be active during the day. It is an ambush predator, relying on its camouflage and stealth to capture prey. Its diet consists mainly of fish, birds, small mammals, and occasionally larger animals such as capybaras and caimans. The anaconda uses constriction to subdue its prey, wrapping its powerful coils around the victim and squeezing until it suffocates. It then swallows the prey whole, thanks to its flexible jaws and stretchy ligaments. Reproduction. Reproduction in Bolivian anacondas follows a similar pattern to that of other anaconda species. It occurs during the rainy season when males track females using pheromone trails. Several males may compete for a single female, forming a breeding ball where they entwine around her to win the opportunity to mate. The Bolivian anaconda is ovoviviparous, meaning females give birth to live young. After a gestation period of about 6 months, the female gives birth to a litter of 20 to 30 young, each measuring about 50 to 60 centimeters, 20 to 24 inches, in length. The newborns are independent from birth and must find food and shelter on their own. Conservation status. The conservation status of the Bolivian anaconda is not well documented, primarily due to the species' elusive nature and the remoteness of its habitat. However, like other anacondas, it faces potential threats from habitat destruction, hunting, and human encroachment. The wetlands and forests of the Beni region are subject to agricultural expansion, deforestation, and other forms of environmental degradation. Efforts for the Bolivian anaconda would benefit from increased research, habitat protection, and public education to promote coexistence and reduce human-wildlife conflicts. Cultural significance. The Bolivian anaconda, like other anaconda species, holds a place in local folklore and indigenous cultures. It is often seen as a symbol of power and mystery, sometimes regarded with fear and respect. Stories and legends about giant snakes are common in the regions where anacondas live, reflecting the awe these creatures inspire. Conclusion. The Bolivian anaconda is a fascinating and formidable snake that plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. Its impressive size, powerful hunting abilities, and adaptability to aquatic environments make it a key predator in the wetlands and forests of Bolivia. While its conservation status remains unclear, efforts to protect its habitat and educate the public about its ecological importance are vital. By fostering a greater understanding and appreciation of the Bolivian anaconda, we can help ensure the continued survival of this remarkable species.